Venice Santa Lucia station is located in central Venice right on the Grand Canal, as you can see on this map. The station is a terminus with 23 platforms, numbered from right to left as you look at them, i.e., with platform 1 on the east side. Trains first call at Venice's other station, Venice Mestre on the mainland, before crossing the long rail and road causeway across the lagoon to the historic city of Venice itself.
There's been a station here since the 1860s, named after the Church of Santa Lucia, which was demolished to make way for it. The design of the current station dates from a competition held in 1934, but construction took considerable time and the station was only completed in 1952.
Crossing the causeway over the lagoon, then walking out of the station to see the Grand Canal right in front of you with vaporettos, water buses, water taxis, and gondolas makes it arguably the most impressive arrival experience of any station in Europe.
Construction of Santa Lucia railway station began in 1860 under the Austrian Empire. In order to make room for both the station building and its forecourt, a convent and the Church of Santa Lucia were demolished in 1861. The station in turn took up the name of this church.
The current station building is one of the few modernist buildings facing the Grand Canal. It is the result of a series of plans started up by the rationalist architect Angiolo Mazzoni in 1924, and developed by him over the next decade.
In 1934, a contest for a detailed design for the current station was won by Virgilio Vallet. Between 1936 and 1943, Mazzoni and Vallet collaborated on the construction of the station building. Mazzoni also designed the train hall. The final implementation, however, was undertaken only after the Second World War. In 1952, the station was completed on a design which had been developed by another architect.
In November 2009, work began on the renovation of Santa Lucia Station. The renovation program would include improvements to the use of spaces and the flow of internal transit. In addition, certain architectural elements would be recovered and restored. The atrium would be altered to house several retail spaces. This project was completed in 2012 with a cost of €24 million.